guys, let's make some dinner with me. Alright, so as you can see, I got some meatballs. I put them bad boys in the air fryer, shake them around, make sure they cook evenly. And then I got my almond milk, yes, almond milk with some butter for my mashed potatoes. Then I'm going to go ahead and squeeze in my barbecue sauce in my pan. And then I'm going to go ahead and add some Concord grape jelly. If you know, you know, baby shower meatballs. Add a bit more, you know, just do it to your tasting, you know, however sweet or bitter you guys want it. I add some light brown sugar. Like I said, do it to your tasting. It's going to be super hot, so be careful. Pop them bad boys in there, let them simmer. Mashed potatoes according to the packet. And I added some spinach and cheese, and yeah, that was my dinner. Thanks, guys. Alright guys, so for tonight's dinner for my 4-month-old son, as you guys can hear him, he's a little cranky because he's hungry. I'm going to go ahead and give him some berry formula milk. I'm going to go ahead and blend up the berries. Put some of his baby water because he's still not able to have, obviously, like, purified, you know, other, obviously not faucet water, whatever. So it's distilled water. This is the only water that Walmart has. So this is the Walmart that I make with his formula. Like I said, I'm going to blend up the berries, put it in the blender. Probably just like a little scoop because we don't know how he's going to react to the berries. I just want to make sure that, you know, it's safe or whatnot. So the berries in the blender, some water, and then probably about 2 scoops because that's what he drinks for a bottle. He drinks about 4 to 6 ounces. So it's either 2 or 3 scoops. But I'm just going to go ahead and put 2 scoops because I don't want it too thick. And I'll show you guys the process. Let's go. Alright, so I go ahead and put just like a hand scoop of berries, not too much. That's a big strawberry, so hopefully it blends up and it's pretty nice and not too thick. And let's add the water now. That should be good. Like I said, I don't want it too watery. I just wanted like a good consistency so it can hold him for the night because he does not sleep throughout the whole night. He's still on like newborn schedule. He's still waking up every 2 or 3 hours throughout the night and doesn't fall fully asleep to the rest of the night till like 2 or 3 o'clock in the morning. So we're just going to see if this works. This is kind of good. It's kind of like watery. It's pretty good. I'm going to go ahead and put the formula in it and blend it as well. And then put it in a bottle and see how he tastes it. In case you guys are wondering, it's Enfamil. The infant formula is from 0 to 12 months. He still is breastfed, but I didn't pump for this, you know, particular reason. I didn't know if breast milk would have been best or whatnot. But for right now, we're just going to do the powder. He's on powder and breast. But we're just going to do 2 scoops and mix it up. So guys, my son has like abundance amount of bottles. It's not organized right now, but just don't worry about that. They get dried. If not, I paper towel will dry them. But I'm just gonna go ahead and use this big round one just so I can see, you know. All right guys, so he went ahead and drank only about 2 ounces of it. He's being burped right now by his dad, and we're just gonna see if he falls asleep and how long he stays asleep for. I guess he kind of liked it, but we are going to watch him and monitor him because he did have something different. But I think he would have had a reaction immediately, and there's no reaction right now. But I want to say he kind of liked it. He kind of played back and forth with it, but he did eat not too long ago before this, so I just wanted to like kind of like stuff him so he goes to sleep. But I'll update you guys for his sleep. Alright guys, he did went ahead and finished the rest of that 2 ounce. He just needed to be burped and give him a few minutes. But he went ahead and just finished the rest of the bottle. Alright, so when he got that bottle, it was about 8 o'clock. Right here, it's about a little after 9. And he is out like a light. I want to say he woke up probably like 3 or 4 hours later and only drank about 2 or 3 ounces. But that was it. He slept through the night. So I want to say it worked. So So try out this recipe and see if it works for your babies. And stay tuned, guys. Thanks for watching. Peace out.